Whether it's Mysore, Hubli, or here at this fabulous Chinnaswamy Stadium, nothing changes for the Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters as they continue their race on top of the table. Today, sweet revenge against Mysore Warriors, whom they lost to the last time. But of course, today, no drama as they get past very, very quickly. A big thank you before we begin the presentation to all those who made it to the Chinnaswamy Stadium here today. Thank you so much for your presence. It means a lot to all of us. And of course, to those watching on television or other devices, thank you for your company. On Super Sunday, we're through with the first match. And on behalf of the KSCA, my pleasure to thank those who have been our major partners of the Maharaja Trophy. To begin with, our title sponsor, Dax Granites and Marbles, thank you. Tourism partner, Karnataka Tourism. Co-sponsor, Vimal Elaichi. Associate sponsor, Adarsh Group. Umpire sponsor, Cycle Pure Agarbattis, long-time partners of the tournament. Gold sponsor, Sunvik Steels and Wire Pro. Official sponsor, Fan Code. Radio partner, 92.7 Big FM. Ticketing partner, District by Zomato. And of course, a big thank you to our broadcasting partner, Sony Sports Network. And now my pleasant duty to introduce the presentation party. To my left, first, Mr. Rajat TM, channel partner, Cycle Pure Agarbatti. To his left, Mrs. Paranita, KSCA Executive Committee member, who'll be glad for all the fabulous facilities here at the stadium. Mr. Ramesh Babu next from HT Global, representing Mysore Warriors, HTS Global, Mysore Warriors. Mr. Naresh Chawla, KSCA Executive Committee member, to the far left. And now to our awards, but before that, changing of the guards, as it were, or should we say changing of the cap. We have a new orange cap wearer. It is with 303 runs, Rohan Patil from the Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters. And the orange cap will be handed over by Mr. Naresh Chawla. Well batted again, Rohan. That was a fierce start with the bat. We wish you could have gone on longer, but you are already the proud possessor of that orange cap. We'll now move along to our standard awards. The first is the catch of the match. He ran about 25 yards, somehow kept his eye on the ball behind his head and caught it tumbling forward. It was a fine catch indeed. Shubhang Hegde, broken fingers or not, he wins our catch of the match. And Mr. Ramesh Babu will present that award to Shubhang, who also wears a cap of a different color. Super sixes of the match next. There was a tie, but with a better strike rate. The winner of that award, Rohan Patil, again with his 3 sixes. The award presented by Mrs. Paranita. Well done, Rohan. Got out a shade too soon, but it was a bright knock. And finally, of course, our Cycle Pure Agarbatti's trusted player of the match. He struck early and struck late. Got 4 for 34 in 3.4 overs. Nishit Rao is our Cycle Pure Agarbatti's trusted player of the match, ensuring that they did not have much to chase. The award presented by Mr. Rajat TM. And finally, of course, a quick chat with the captain of the winning team. May I please request Shubhang Hegde to once again walk up and have a chat, which has become almost like a tradition here after the match. Shubhang, congratulations. Your bowler certainly worked it out for you today.
Yeah, the discussion was, can we bowl a team out under 160, and that's what we did today, and we're very happy.
At the toss, of course, Vashak was saying maybe 200. Didn't quite work out for them. But your thoughts on the pitch for this first match at the Chinnaswamy Stadium?
I think it was a brilliant wicket. I think we were discussing if we're batting first, we have to get above 200. But I think the way we bowled today was outstanding.
Was it a big advantage winning the toss and bowling first?
Not really. I think we were okay to bat first as well. I feel the team that played better 20 overs of cricket would have won the game.
I saw you let one ball go because of your fingers when you were in the covers, but you did take a fine catch. And was it one of the better ones you've taken? It seemed very difficult.
Yeah, running back any catch is always hard, and I think as soon as it went up, there was just one thought to just catch the ball, and glad it stuck.
You know, a lot of the other teams, if I might speak on their behalf, are saying, Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters, mercy! But you guys are ruthless.
Yeah, I think that's the discussion. Every time we turn up, we start from zero, and we're trying to get better at whatever we do. And today was a comprehensive win.
And just finally, you did make one or two changes today, but do you think with this kind of a lead on the table, you might give a chance to the rest of the bench, because the youngsters, as you were once and still are, would love to get a game?
Yeah, today we gave a couple of guys. Hopefully tomorrow another couple get a chance.
Well, good luck. You've had a fantastic campaign and very well led. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, wearing the purple cap, still another fine performance with two wickets today. Shubhang Hegde, the skipper of the Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters, as such, the home team. That's all in the presentation. A big thank you to the presentation party. We've got another match coming up. It is a Super Sunday, a double header, and we'll let the commentators set that up.
Thank you very much, Charu. Yes, it is a Super Sunday, and yes, it's a double-header. Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters, 9 played, 8 wins, 16 points. They seem invincible at this time in the tournament. Shivamoga Yodhas and the Coastal Kings Mangaluru, 8 and 7 for them. 7 points for the Mysore Warriors, 4th spot despite this loss, but for Gulbarga Mystics and the Hubli Tigers, a lot of work to be done. Just to remind all the viewers that the top 4 teams will qualify for the playoffs. We did mention it's Super Sunday, and that's Shivamoga Yodhas taking on the Hubli Tigers in match 26. Coming up next, live from the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium at 19:20 hours. We'll see you then. Until then, it's a goodbye from all of us here at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium.